Hi, this is Gretchen. In this video, I'll show you how to prepare a request for a budget amendment. OWEB requires a grantee to submit a budget amendment when the budget changes by a cumulative 10% of the grant or when adding money to a category that was previously zero. Please note that all project adjustments must be approved by your OWEB project manager, regardless of whether they require a formal budget amendment. The full policy is contained in the budget category document, which is found on the Payments and Budget page of OWEB's website. The budget amendment request form is also available on the Payments and Budget page. Click the budget amendment request form to download it to your desktop. You must use this form to document a budget amendment. Open the downloaded spreadsheet. If you see an Enable Editing button, click it. Click the File tab and then Save As. Title your document appropriately and click Save. Things to note when using this sheet. The spreadsheet automatically totals on the right side and at the bottom. Each cell containing a total is driven by a formula. Please do not change or replace the formulas when using this spreadsheet. One more thing to note is that you can tab from cell to cell if you don't want to use your mouse. To fill out the sheet, fill out the top portion with your grant number. Next, enter the original budget of your grant from your grant agreement. Do not enter the most recent budget if changes have been made. The form automatically calculates, so when you're done, the amount in the bottom cell should match your grant agreement total. In the next column, enter the adjustments to your budget. When you're done, the total at the bottom of this column should equal 0, indicating you have moved an equal amount of money among the categories. In other words, an increase in one or more categories should be offset by an equal decrease in other categories. In this case, the other category was increased by $500, and the materials and supplies category was also increased by $500. This overall increase of $1,000 was then offset by a decrease of $1,000 in the salaries, wages, and benefits category. The total amount of the grant has not changed, which means your grant total at the bottom right should match the grant total in your grant agreement. If at a later date you need to make a second or third change to your budget, please use the appropriate column. The original grant agreement amounts always go in the first column. Do not put the changed amounts here. Use the white space below the table to provide the justification for your request. The justification should cover why the change is necessary and how you will achieve the original project goals if this change is approved. Justification is not simply describing what changes have occurred. OWEB needs to know why things have changed and how the grantee plans to keep the project on course. Print the completed request form, having the appropriate organization personnel sign it, and send to your OWEB project manager. After the project manager has signed the form, it will be uploaded to OGMAS, where you can then view it. Thank you for watching our video.